Hello again. We're back with lesson 2.10 in the Go Math book, titled Multiplying Two-Digit Numbers with Regrouping. And we remember regrouping from before. We've regrouped in the addition, we've regrouped the subtraction. We're going to learn how to do it in the multiplication. And let's look at the example that we have. We have a model. Look carefully at the model. Do you know what operation are we doing? Yes, we're multiplying, and we're multiplying the number 14, right? We have 110 and 4 ones, and we're repeating it 3 times. We're multiplying 14 times 3. So for multiplication purposes, it's easier if you put the number with the most digits on top. That would be the number 14, and then put the number 3 at the bottom. Now, we just do the same thing that we do in addition and subtraction. We start with the 1, so we're going to multiply 3 times 4. And we know that 3 times 4 is 12, right? Let's look at the model. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 ones. But if you look carefully, right, we can get this 10 ones, and we're going to make a long one. So when we regroup, right, is that when we have 12 ones, we actually have this 2 here left in here, and then the other 10 are going to go and build another 10. So we say that we're going to regroup the ones as 110. So that's why we carry 1 in here, because now it's in the tens place. And then we multiply the 10. So we multiply the 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Don't forget to add the numbers that we carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. So my answer will be 42. Okay? Keeps getting simpler. I don't know if you noticed that the other methods are a little bit complicated. This is much simpler. Yes, you're right. It is easier this way. Let's do another exercise. Let's do 39 times 2. Okay, if you want to estimate, remember how to estimate? We round the number with the most digits, right? 39 rounds to 40, and 40 times 2 is 80. So in order for my answer to be reasonable, it needs to be close to my estimate. Now let's go to the multiplication. I start with the ones. 2 times 9 is 18, but we don't write 18. We write the 8, and the 1 we're going to carry it over. Remember, the regrouped ones go as 110. Now we multiply the 2 times my tens, which is the 3. 2 times 3 is 6, but I have 1 that I carried over. I need to add it. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 is the number that I'm going to write down. You see, it's pretty close to the 80, so I can say that my answer is reasonable. How are you doing? Are you understanding better? Good. Let's do one more exercise. Let's do 48 times 7. Okay, first step, estimate. Let's get an idea what my answer is going to be. 48 rounds to 50, right? And 50 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35, and add a 0. My answer should be close to 350. So let's start. 7 times 8 is, yes, 56. So I write the 6 here, the number in the ones, and the 5 I'm going to carry it over. Now I multiply 7 times 4, and that's 28. And add 5. 28 plus 5 is 33. My answer is relatively close to 350, so yes, my answer is reasonable. Do you understand? I really hope so, because this is much easier, right, than we've been doing before. So for home learning, we're going to do 2 exercises. Number 1, 23 times 6. And number 2, 59 times 8. I would really like if you can write the estimate, but what's really important here is the multiplication, okay? So I hope that you understand, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.